Hi, with this video we want to prove that Freelance is easy. So I have an operator station here, and in that graphic display I will add the measurement value of a new sensor. For that I just switch to my engineering tool. In here I have a function block diagram that is empty. I looked to the library, and in my favorites I prepared a trend function block and an analog monitoring function block. So we need a variable, read something from the controller, and connect all the wires. We need to give names and get an alarm on high, have a priority 1 alarm generated, have a hint. That means it should play a sound when that occurs. Analog monitoring. And for the trend, we just give it a name. Here now we need to connect a variable. Double click and we generate a new one. Okay. Okay. We go to the hardware manager. And down here in that controller and on that module, I go to the I/O editor and connect the position where the sensor is connected and find my variable that I just created in the function block diagram and wired to the hardware. That's all we need to do in the hardware. So function block diagram is done, hardware is done. Now let's take a look at the graphics editor. I just do an easy animation in here by putting an alphanumeric display to that field over here. And once again, we want to select the variable. Here we are. So that's all we need to do in the graphics, and we want to have a trend. Insert next level trend display. Trend display. And trend display only has one parameter. We need to connect to the function block. Can select it, don't need to know the name. That's all we wanted to do. So let's check it and then download. Go online and download controller and download the operator station and switch from the engineering tool to the graphics. Here we are. We see the variable shown in the graphic display. I touch the sensor here on my hardware. It generates an alarm, sound alarm. Clicking the message list. Here we see trend display. That's all. Thank you.
A new sensor connected to a function block with automatically generated faceplate and alarming. All added to a graphic display and a trend including historian. All done in 3 minutes, using just one tool. Freelance automation made easy.